welcome back to my channel. I just ate some breakfast with HoneyBii. We had bacon, rice, and guacamole. He had eggs as well. But we are going shopping today. This is our first weekend here in Austin, Texas. And there's been some things I've wanted to get, but we only have one rental car on the go right now. So I haven't been able to do these things. I wanted to go to a garden center and find some rose bushes. We already have like 3 small ones going on here, but I would love to have more. Maybe some local bamboo, because we have 1 bamboo plant. And I would love to just have like 2 more, maybe like 3 more to add like privacy on some of the windows where neighbors can see in. Then I also need to get some curtain rods for our windows because we have curtains, and I actually ordered some curtain rods online, but then like when they're being delivered, it said couldn't deliver them for some reason, which makes absolutely no sense. But either way, I have to go get them in person, so I want to do that. I want to get some stain for my DIY little bamboo stick things that we're going to do in another video. And I also want to get some home goods stuff. So Home Goods is like the home sense of the US apparently, or like TJ Maxx is also an option. Marshall's not so much I don't think, but Home Goods, I want to go there because I need a vase, and I want to just check out some furniture as well because we definitely need some furniture pieces for this big house. So yeah, just like an overall shopping around day, so come along with us for that. So first off, we just stopped off at USPS to ship some product orders. It's our first time shipping products from the US, and it's the same pretty much as in Canada, so that's good. But now we're going to be going off to a garden center to look for some lovely plants. Speaking of my store Glow Atelier, we are currently having a dream green sale, which is 15% off all green aesthetic themed and calming skincare. So if you are having sensitive skin, or you just want to stock up on some good Korean skincare or any of the Korean skincare products that I have been featuring in my current routine since coming here to deal with my acne, you can now get them for a discount, so link in bio. Alright, we've arrived at first garden place called Moon Valley Nurseries. I'm hoping, it looks like they have a lot of trees, hoping they have rose bushes. I think I saw it on the Google. Let's see.
Yeah. Sweet little hobbit handy. Give it up.
Have you ever been to a nursery? Oh, is that cherry blossom tree? It is. Oh my god. Oh. So how much then? Sale, 50%.
$1,000.
Sheesh. So these are some roses. You guys, the cherry blossom tree was like $1,000. That's insane. But here are roses. I think they're all pink/red. I would like a light pink, so we'll keep looking, but $50 is good. Here we go. So these are more my style, like the white-ish with the pink and the yellow. That's more up my alley. This one's pretty. White drift. That's really nice. How much? Doesn't say.
Probably $50 as well.
I guess we should probably get a cart, huh? This one's white drift.
I would say once we know what we want, we'll ask someone if they can help us go or not.
Okay. Well, that's nice, white drift. Cherry blossoms aren't native to this area at all, and they're hard to keep because it's so hot. I like this fuzzy grass too.
No, you don't.
I do. Look how fuzzy it is.
No, you don't.
Maybe I want. I do like it. It's like a fine shrubbery.
Fuzzy grass touch my back.
Now this is nice. What's this? How much? Oh wow, it's half the price of a cherry blossom. Oh wait, no, now 300. I like the pink one.
3 shrubs.
So here's this bamboo, golden bamboo, but it's way bigger than I'd want. How much? I just want like the starter size, you know, the little tiny thingies.
Go left, keep going.
50% off of what? Look at that, 3 roses and something, I don't remember what it's called. Thank you.
I'm just getting a bit nervous about this one. Just pull it in a bit.
We've just come into Home Goods, which is kind of like the home sense of this part of the US. I don't know what we came in for, I forgot already. Oh, a vase.
This is tables for the bed.
Oh, tables for the bed, yeah, bedside tables. Just looking. Came to a place called Muya to get some quick food. I got a iceberg lettuce burger, something really simple. We have been at a car dealership, Nissan, for like so many hours because we're getting a car for here, finally. So we're getting our first car and it's been so long, but we got one and it's just a matter of finishing everything up, but it's like going on 8 p.m. I think we originally got here at like 2 and I'm so tired. It is another day and we finally were able to get our curtain rods. So I'm just gonna hang those up now, casually. Let's do it. It's not a sunny-ish day, like the sun finally came out. It's like going on 6 o'clock. So you're not gonna get the true effect, but I'll be sure to show you guys what these huge curtains look like on a nice sunny day. I've always enjoyed sheer chiffon style curtains, so I just got these off-white kind of warm creamy tone ones, which I think are just so lovely and will be nice with the big windows. When I open the windows and a breeze comes in, I'm excited for that. So these are what I got. I just got them on Amazon. They're pretty affordable. I think it was like $30-something per pack of 2 pieces, and I got them in 52 inches wide per panel and 145 inches long per panel, I believe. You guys, I just finished streaming and I was coming out to the kitchen to get water and whatnot, and I see Flynn looking out the window, and I look out the window and up in the tree and there's a squirrel just yelling at Flynn. Just having a staring contest, yelling at each other. I don't know if it ran away, it might have. I went to get my camera real quick. Oh, I think it left. Oh no, it's still staring at him. It's so angry. It's just yelling at him. But it's just staring in the window yelling. Yeah, it doesn't like you. No, it doesn't like you. Yeah, you both don't like each other. You guys, I am so excited. It has officially been a week and like 3 days since we officially moved out of our apartment in downtown Toronto. That means that is the day, like to the day the shippers came, took our stuff, moved us out, and proceeded to put our stuff into transit to Austin, Texas. And I just got word from HoneyBii that our stuff is due to arrive between 9 and 10 a.m. on Wednesday, which is exactly 1 full day away. I am so excited. It has actually been so hard to do anything without like a desk, a chair, anything. Like, it has been impossible to get work done because like I've literally been using a air mattress, a cardboard box, a stepping stool, and my luggage case to have some sort of desk setup, and it has been so hard on my back to work like that I just can't sit like that for more than like an hour at a time before it really starts to hurt. So I am so excited to get our stuff. It is going to be a crazy day Wednesday, unpacking all of that. It took me days to pack it all up. I'm not looking forward to unpacking it, but at least I know for a fact my desk doesn't need any assembling, my chair doesn't need any assembling. I can just immediately unwrap it, put it in place, and have a functioning office again. Thank God. Oh my God, I am so excited. And to have clothes again. It has been really difficult with the weather here in Austin, Texas, with the clothes I brought. Like, I brought clothes for the weather that we're having today, and today it's like 12 degrees Celsius outside. It's a little bit chilly, but for the past week, like 4 to 5 days, it's actually been like 28, 26 degrees and humid. And I did not bring clothes for that weather, so I've just been a sweaty mess whenever we had to go out to run errands. It's been crazy. So I am so excited. I am so excited to get my clothes and my stuff. The sun finally decided to grace us today for a little bit, and this is what the curtains are looking like without any lights turned on. It is so airy. Pardon the ladder, I still have to do the other curtains, but it is so nice and airy with these floor to ceiling curtains. Oh my gosh. So this is desk setup number 1. It's a stepping stool as a seat on the kitchen island, but I can't work like this all the time because if HoneyBii's at home, he needs this setup because we have the one monitor that he borrowed from his office. And if I'm gonna stream, I need to have a direct plug-in to the internet. So that's like a temporary setup for me. Otherwise, this is my setup. So I've been having to use my luggage as a tripod for my streaming, and then this cardboard box as my monitor platform, and then I bring the step stool over here to put like my laptop on. It's really been hard. I kid you not. But this is my soon-to-be office. Can't wait. I'm gonna change these curtains out to the sheer ones. These are currently blackout curtains that they left. I do want to actually paint the walls in here, just because there's a lot of scuffs on the walls. I don't know. But yeah, this is the soon-to-be office. I'm thinking of putting my desk along that wall. Actually, no, I think maybe I'll put it along this one. Along with the door. Yeah, I think I'll put it along this one with the door. Our stuff is here! That's a massive trick. Wow. Yeah, wherever. Oh, they really wrapped it up well. Yeah. I know I wrapped it in like a tarp before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our stuff is here! That was really fast. That was way faster than our original moving day. This was all like 30 minutes, maybe an hour. But there's lots to do, lots of organizing, lots of boxes to unpack and whatnot. But this is the current. Gosh, having it all in a house makes it look like we have nothing. Like when this was all packed up in the condo, it was like, looked like a lot of stuff. Now it feels like we have nothing. 4 times the size. Well, let's let a boy out of the laundry room. He's probably so scared. Boy. No business. Boy, it's done. It's over. You're good. Come out now. He's behind the washing machine. Oh, there he is. You got your tree back. Come on.
No, we gotta give him his tree.
Come on. It's over. Yeah. Big scare's over. Okay. Here's a treat for you. Big stretch.
You gotta get the back legs too. Don't forget.
Is this Skyrim music? Sounds like Skyrim music. Yeah. Lots of stretching. Wow. Oh, must have forgot something.
Everywhere. Okay, thank you. No problem.
We have things. We have things. Gotta organize and unpack today now. Fun, fun, fun. That's so heavy. I can't even lift it.
Your robot back is here too, don't forget. Robot dog back. Oh,
like that's better.
You know what? Mind your own room.
Pardon the no makeup today. We woke up at like 7 a.m. and it's been nonstop since, but I am a little bit frustrated. I can't find the power adapter to my monitor for my office, and my office monitor like stand that's permanently attached to it got broken. So that kind of sucks. I'm probably gonna need a new monitor at some point, but I've been going through every single box. I can't find it. Anyway, I'm gonna have some tteokbokki for lunch because I'm hungry. So we got tteokbokki cooking. Take a little bit of a break. This whole unpacking process is probably gonna take a few days because yeah, it's a lot to sort through, and I already got some cuts on my hands and I'm like so frustrated. Mr. Flynn has his tower back and I put it in the ideal kitty spot surrounded by windows, and he is so happy. You're happy. Yeah, you're happy. Yeah. That's some aggressive cleaning. Oh, you wiggly. Yeah, you wiggly. Tteokbokki time. I made it a little soupy because I didn't have my measuring cup backed out, but that's okay because sometimes tteokbokki is too spicy.